Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2013 Mercedes-Benz C-Class C300 4MATIC. This comes in a brown exterior with a tan interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz and C300 badging, trunk, rear seats, memory seats with driver seat controls, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel, mileage on this vehicle is 72,798, and we have a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz navigation, radio, backup camera, climate controls, shifter, and center console. Now, if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.